Hello friends, welcome to Drive and Fish. Today in this video we're going to see whether Zoom can be installed on the Gtab Kids Tablet. Keep watching this video to know more about Zoom on Gtab and other meeting apps available on Gtab Play Store. If you haven't watched the unboxing video of Gtab, click the card above or you can find the link in the description below. Now let's begin our trial. Come on, let's dive in. As we cannot find Zoom on the Google Play Store, let us try to download from a third-party website and install it in this. It took almost 15 minutes to download and install on this device. A subscribe will motivate us to make more videos like this. Finally, we've installed Zoom on this device. Now I'm going to create a new meeting on my phone and let's try to join on this tablet. Every time I try to log into the meeting, the Zoom wants me to update the app. The fact is, you won't be able to upgrade this version because the Zoom is not supported on Android Kitkat. Even if you copy the link and paste it into Google Chrome, this never worked for me. And if you have any idea to get Zoom installed on this device, please leave a comment below. Apart from the Zoom, you have all these on the Play Store, Microsoft Teams, Skype, GoToMeeting, Facebook Messenger, and many more. And that's all. Thanks for watching this video. See you. Bye.